Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see the chart of any meme coin that's on Solana. So right now what you need to do in order to find the chart of any meme coin on Solana is head over to either solscan.io, or you can also just find that contract address that you want to find the chart of, basically the coin. You can also just find all of those coins basically on Telegram or maybe on Twitter. So yeah, basically in this video I'm going to use Solscan, but if you already have a name or a contract address, then what you can simply do is skip this part. So yeah, let's say that you don't have a name and contract address and you just want to randomly buy a coin. Now what you actually need to do is head over to solscan.io, go into the search bar, and you want to simply find right here any coin that you may want to buy. So let's say that I want to buy this coin called Myro, which is one of the biggest meme coins right now. Then what I do is I simply click on that coin right here that I want to buy. And once I'm at this page, what I simply can do is copy this token address right here. And this address is basically linked to the coin that you want to buy. Now that you have done that, we want to actually go to the charting website. We can basically track the charts off. So yeah, let's say we go to dexscreener.com. Once you've done that, just head over to dexscreener.com and you will most likely be at a screen just like this. Then right here in the top left corner of your screen, you will find this search basically bar where you can click on. And then if you already have a contract address copied, you can simply paste that right here. And now we have literally just found that coin right here. And yeah, that's basically how you can find that chart of any meme coin. So yeah, we just copied that meme coin right here, this contract address, we pasted it right here. It's now automatically showing us that chart. If you basically don't have a contract address and only a name, you can always just type it in. The most important thing is that you head over to this website called dexscreener.com, because this is basically the most famous website for tracking charts for Solana meme coins. So yeah, that being said, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.